It's only the 24th of April, and we already have a brand new smartphone. This is the all-new Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus 5G. A proper mid-range beast packed with AI features, a Snapdragon processor, and upgrades across the board. But is it worth your money? Let's find out. Unboxing and accessories. First, the unboxing. The global version includes a SIM ejector tool, a TPU case, USB Type-C cable, and a blazing fast 120-watt charger that juices up the phone from 0 to 100% in just 38 minutes. Design and build. Quality. The Spectra blue color. Not my favorite, but it also comes in sleek black and purple, or white if you're in China. Now the build, premium. The back is glass, hello Gorilla Glass 7e, and the frame is glossy aluminum. Up front, Gorilla Glass Victus adds flagship-level protection. And here's the kicker. IP68 rating. This phone can survive 2 meters underwater for 24 hours. Xiaomi isn't playing around. Display. Mid-range. More like Elite. Spoiler alert. This display is a 10 out of 10. Curved AMOLED with 1.5K resolution, 120 Hz refresh rate, and it's bright, 3000 nits bright. Perfect for outdoor use. Oh, and 12-bit color depth? Movies and games look stunning with HDR10 support. Xiaomi just raised the bar. Performance and gaming. Under the hood, a Snapdragon processor. Fans rejoice. But benchmarks were surprising. The older Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus scored higher in 3D mark. Still, gaming is smooth. PUBG. Ultra HD, Ultra FPS, no lag. CODM. Max graphics, buttery gameplay. Warzone. Needs settings tweaks for fluidity. Mobile Legends, Ultra everything, zero issues. Multitasking, flawless with 12 GB RAM. Storage is UFS 2.2, not cutting edge, but fast enough. AI features and software narrator, AI highlights, circle to search, real-time language translator, note summarizing AI, and a photo object eraser. But wait, the hyped AI image expansion arrives January 31st. Stay tuned for my demo. Software, 3 years of Android updates, up to Android 17. Bloatware, uninstallable. Cameras, hit or miss. Narrator, now the cameras. Selfie cam, 20 megapixels, but colors look off. Number 4, K video in 2025? Really? Rear cameras, 200 megapixel main, sharp, true-to-life shots. 8 megapixel ultra-wide, decent, but night shots show lens flare. Portrait mode? Hey, edge detection could be better. Battery and charging. Narrator, the 5110 mAh battery lasts all day, even in performance mode. And that 120-watt charger? 38 minutes for a full refill. No complaints here. Narrator, after 3 weeks of use, here's the deal. Pros: flagship tier build and display, strong performance, AI tools, mostly great, battery life and charging speed. Cons: cameras, especially selfies, benchmarks lag behind last year's model. Final rating: 4/5. A fantastic mid-ranger, unless cameras are your priority. Music fades up. Got questions? Drop them below. And don't miss my Redmi Note 13. Versus 14 Pro Plus Showdown. Subscribe and hit the bell. This is Atif Official signing off.